I believe in you. I believe that you are perfect in everything that you know and do not know. I believe that you will achieve the most amazing things that the world cannot even dream up yet. I believe that you have infinite potential and incredible skill. I am a teacher, yes, but I am a believer first. Here at Bora, we are all believers first. When you come in for class, when you type hello, whoever types back believes in you. Whenever you get something wrong, the instructor who uses that precious moment to teach you something that you didn't know, that instructor believes in you. When you're at Bora, you're not working with anyone who is judging or assessing you. You are working with people who believe that you can do anything in our curriculum and far beyond. We are just walking with you on part of your path to greatness. And here's the important bit. There is nothing you can ever do that will make us stop believing in you. Nothing. You can get a B. You can fail a test. You can forget factoring. You can forget it 20 times. You can struggle with dual passage questions on the SAT. You can be afraid of learning. You can falter. You can feel weak. You can feel stupid. You can refuse to believe in yourself. It won't matter. We will never stop believing in you because we know that you are worth believing in. At Bora, we believe in people. We believe in you.